Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ali Aurangzeb, faculty member of Computing Science and IT. Today we will discuss an introduction to ICT, and today we will cover the chapter number 5, and the name of this chapter is the Internet and the World Wide Web. Internet, basically Internet stands for international network. Internet is a globally connected network system that use the TCP and IP to transmit via various types of the media. The internet is a network of the network, and the type of the network is the globally exchanges the information, including the private, public, and academic and the government networks. The first time the concept of the internet was conceived from the ARPANET. ARPA is the Advanced Research Project Agency of the USA Defense Department. The major goal of the ARPANET to develop the internet to allow the scientists at a different location to share the information. इंटरनेट जो पहली बार फंक्शनल हुई इन सितंबर 1969 के अंदर, और ये दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा नेटवर्क है। इंटरनेट की वजह से आज की दुनिया जो है ग्लोबलाइज या ग्लोबल बन चुकी है। इंटरनेट के थ्रू जो है हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक अपना फाइल, डॉक्यूमेंट, कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन जो है आसानी से ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं। और इंटरनेट के अंदर जो प्रोटोकॉल्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं, जो सूट प्रोटोकॉल यूज़ किए जाते हैं, that supports the TCP IP suite protocols. TCP stands for the Transmission Control Protocol, and that type of the protocols are connection oriented protocol, because the TCP protocol provides the acknowledgement, whereas IP protocols provide the uh, connection less protocol, and they are unable to provide the acknowledgement. Nowadays we are using the IPv6, but before that we were used the IPv4. IPv4 basically based on the 32-bit, and IPv6 is based on the 128-bit. So here, if we are discussing on the internet, it's one of the public network, and whereas intranet is the one of the private network. There is no any facility available to access the private network, but the people can access the public network. It's a huge collection of the network, so we can say that the internet is the network of the network. In 1969, basically the 4 host nodes were connected, and in 1984, 1000 host nodes were connected, and nowadays the millions of the nodes are interconnected with each another. Who controls the internet? No one, because it is one of the public, cooperative, and independent network. Whereas several organizations have set their standards, like the World Wide Web Consortium W3C, so we can connect the internet with the different type of the technologies like the dial-up access and the DSL cable modem. Dial-up basically is one of the slow speed technology, and DSL is a high speed connection. Dial-up, in a dial-up access, we can connect our modem to the telephone line, and also we can connect with the internet. So telephone line is basically a circuit switch network, and telephone works over the analog signals. So it is necessary to convert analog signal into the digital and digital to analog. So we have required the modem. Modem stands for the modulator and demodulator. Modulator convert digital to analog signals, and demodulator convert analog to digital signals. Whereas nowadays we are using the different type of modems, like the external modem DS. We can say that is the DSL, digital subscriber line. So the type of the modem work over the wireless connections, and the computer is always work over the packet switch network. And all over the world there are different type of the organizations which are providing the ISPs, and ISPs are internet service providers. In Pakistan, like the Wateen, like the Mobilink, World Call, these are the ISP providers. As we focus over the internet, basically we can use the one of the domain name. For example, one of the domain name is the google.com. .com is one of the top level domain. So this is the one of the name of the servers or search engine. So backend पे जो है IP यूज हो रही होती है, और ये काम होता है DNS प्रोटोकॉल का, डोमेन नेम सिस्टम्स का, कि जो नेम को जो है IP में कन्वर्ट करता है. World Wide Web, basically this is the one of the collection of electronic documents, or we can say that that is the one of the web page, or that on a web page we can this way on the web page there is a might be some of the information are available in terms of the text, graphics, audio, video, and built-in uh, connections. A website is a collection of related web pages. A website is a collection of the different panels, different web pages, and each web page is connected with each another through the links. So here is the one of the web browser. Web browser is a software. Uh, it's a one of the program that allows you to view the web pages. Nowadays we are using the Internet Explorer, where Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera. These are the browsers. We can access the web page through the web browsers. How does the web browser display a home page? Basically, when we click over the web browsers, so the home page display in the web page, our web browsers look up to the home page setting, and then we that web browser might be the communicate with the uh, access providers that are access these servers, and we can retrieve the information from the servers, and that server might be the display the home page. The home page is basically first page that are displayed on a website. We can use the internet over the mobiles, and we can use the different type of the browsers, like the micro browsers are used, and these type of the browsers are uh, involved to display the web pages, and mostly they can display the contents over the mobile screen. Downloading, it is one of the process of the computer where we can receive the information, but it depends upon the connection speed. डाउनलोडिंग हम करते हैं, ये इंटरनेट की स्पीड के ऊपर जो है मोस्टली डिपेंड करता है कि इंटरनेट की स्पीड कितनी है, 2 Mbps है, 4 Mbps है, 5 है या 10 Mbps है. So we can download the different type of the contents or the audio or video files, but uh, we can download within the seconds, or it will take a huge a lot of the time, but it depends upon the uh, net speed. URL stands for the Uniform Resource Locator. If we look to the website, basically it is a segmented. HTTP shows the uh, we can say that hypertext transfer protocol. It is a one of the protocol. Another is USPS is one of the name of the domain name, and other is a path or the page name is defined here. So basically these type of the protocols like the HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP basically it provides the communication between the web server and web browsers, and also the HTTPS hypertext transfer protocol seeker might be the provide the communication between the web server and web browser, but it will be the secure protocols. So here the unique address for the web page, where our web page or web server deliver the web page to the computer. As we look to the web page, there are a lot of the hyperlinks are available, and these hyperlinks are the built-in connection which are connected with each another. And like you are looking to the different type of the nodes, like these nodes are connected with each another. So here different web pages are connected to the different websites are interconnected with each another. As we can look to the links where the pointer changes to the small hand when you point to a link. A link can be text or an image. किसी कोई भी लिंक जो है कोई इमेज भी हो सकता है, या आप एक हाइपरलिंक भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. We can use the different type of the search engines like the Google, like the MSN, like the Yahoo, like the answer.com. So these type of the search engines are the program used to find websites and the web pages by entering the words or the phrases. And जितनी भी हमारे पास search engine होती हैं, और उन search their type of the search engine might be the content the huge lot of the database, and we can search the text or the images by using the keywords or the full words or the phrases. Subject directory, it's one of the search tool with the organized set of the categories and subcategories. So we can use the different type of links, or we can use retrieve the information by the clicking. Basically what is a hit? So any website name that is listed at the as the result of the search, a hit is a request to the web server for a file such as a web page, image, JavaScript, script, and CSS style. There may be many hit per page that view the sense on HTML page contain the multiple files. Basic type of the websites. So some websites are in the form of portals, news, informational, business, marketing, educational, entertainment, advocacy, blog, wiki, and social network, content aggregator, and the personal. So what is the portal? जैसे कि आप लोगों को पता होता है कि हम बेसिकली BBSL में पढ़ाते हैं या पढ़ते हैं, तो BBSL का एक पोर्टल होता है. इट्स one of the websites that offers a variety of the services from convenient location, usually for free. What we can do, we can search the news, sports, weather, some knowledge and information. Some we can use the lot of the reference tools where we can communicate the online with the different type of the communities. A news website that contains the newsworthy materials. It's a full of the with the stories and article relating to the current events, life, money, sports and weather. जैसे कि आपको पता है कि BBC की एक अपनी एक वेबसाइट है, CNN की अपनी वेबसाइट है, अगर आप उन जियो न्यूज़ की अपनी वेबसाइट है, अगर आप उन न्यूज़ वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे तो बहुत सारी जो है आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी वहां से. Some of the websites are the informational websites like the if I need some Pakistani census data, या अगर मुझे कोई बजट का शेड्यूल चाहिए या बजट की इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए या तो मुझे गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट पे जाना होगा या गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज के थ्रू आई कैन कलेक्ट द टाइप ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन. सो इस टाइप की जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, अगर मुझे कहीं घूमने जाना है तो आई वांट टू या आई नीड द वन ऑफ द कैटलॉग लाइक द स्विट्जरलैंड और द मरी, तो उन वेबसाइट पे जाकर आप बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन जो है कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. बिजनेस के लिए बहुत सारी वेबसाइट यूज की जाती हैं और वो बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है दैट उनकी अपनी अपनी वेबसाइट बनी हुई हैं और दैट वेबसाइट माइट बी द कंटेंट्स द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट दैट promotes the product or the services. they allows they allow you to purchase product or the services online. आप ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हैं तो आजकल आपको पता है कि डिजिटल मार्केट का ज़माना है और जैसे कि आपको पता है कि कोविड-19 के अंदर आप ट्रेडिशनल मार्केट के अंदर नहीं जाते और कोई भी प्रोडक्ट फिजिकली परचेज नहीं करते और हर चीज़ आप ऑनलाइन परचेज करते हैं. पाकिस्तान के अंदर जैसे हम मार्ट है या कोई भी ओलेक्स है, alibaba.com है, वहाँ से भी आप बहुत सारी प्रोडक्ट परचेज कर सकते हैं. एजुकेशनल वेबसाइट आजकल बहुत सक्सेसफुल है और दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन लाइक द कोर्सेरा, यूट्यूब है या वर्चुअल यूनिवर्सिटी की एक अपनी वेबसाइट है. बहुत सारे वेबिनार्स आर यूज्ड टू स्टैनफोर्ड ने भी जो शुरू किया हुआ है, यूडमाई है, इस टाइप के जितनी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन. एंटरटेनमेंट की बहुत सारी वेबसाइट अवेलेबल है जहां से आप कोई वीडियोस, स्पोर्ट्स या गेम्स या कोई भी जो है मटेरियल है यू कैन डाउनलोड फ्रॉम द एंटरटेनमेंट्स. Advocacy website where their type of the website contain the content that describe a cause or opinion or idea. Up you can develop your own blog, or we can say that the web blog that might be used a regularly updated journal format to reflect the interest, opinion and personalities of the author. आप अपना अपने लिए या कोई भी पर्सनैलिटी अपने लिए जो है ब्लॉग बना सकता है और नाउडेज ये वे ब्लॉग जो हैं बिजनेस के लिए भी यूज किए जाते हैं. विकी एक ऐसी वेबसाइट है वेयर यू कैन कलेक्ट द कोलैबोरेटिव वेबसाइट दैट अलोज यूजर्स टू क्रिएट, एड, टू मॉडिफाई और डिलीट द वेबसाइट कंटेंट. आप विकीपीडिया पे बहुत सारे कंटेंट ऐड भी कर सकते हैं, डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं, मॉडिफाई भी कर सकते हैं. विकीपीडिया पे आपको बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी. ऑनलाइन सोशल नेटवर्क जैसे कि फेसबुक है, फ्लिकर है और इंस्टाग्राम है, लिंक्डइन है, जहां पर यू कैन अपलोड और एक्सचेंज योर आइडियाज, थॉट्स, स्टोरीज, फोटोज, म्यूजिक, वीडियोज. Content aggregator is one of the business based that gathers and organize the web content and then distributes or feeds the content to subscriber for free or fee such as RSS and item. You can develop your own personal website, you can purchase your own domain, you can share your life experience over the website, or you can use your personal website for many purpose. You can make it a public or the private. What are the major guidelines for the evaluating the website? It's one of the uh, affiliations of which website is affiliated for what purpose, who are the audience, and why the type of the audience might be used, the type of the website. Another is the authority. They describe, is it clear who is the responsible for the content of the page? Or we can say that, is there a way of verifying or validity of the organization for writing particular topic? Is the information from the source known to be the reliable? Also the accuracy. Are the sources for factual information clearly listed so they can be verified? And another sources, is information free of grammatical, spelling and typographical errors? Objectivity. Is there a link to a page that describes the goal or purpose of sponsoring organization or company? Currency. Date on the page that indicate where the pay of when page was written or when page was placed or revised. The coverage, all the topics are clearly addressed. Appearance, the that shows the site look or uh, the web where you how the links are work. Another is the contents where the some of the information are given. Also the multimedia is basically uh, one of the applications where combining the text with the other media elements like the graphics, animation, audio, video, virtual reality and plugins. So here are the different types of the graphic standards. One is the BMP, another is GIF, JPEG, PNG or PNG, and TIFF. So BMP is one of the file format that is known as the one of bitmap file, a device that independent bitmap file format. It is one of the raster graphic image file format used to store the bitmap digital images. So another is GIF. GIF is basically a graphics interchange format. It is the one of the bitmap file format that was developed by a team at the online services provider CompuServe led by American computer scientist. Another is JPEG. So JPEG is commonly used the method of lossy compressions of digital images, particularly for those images produced by the digital photography. And another is the PNG, or we can say that the uh, PNG. PNG stands for the Portable Network Graphics. It is a raster graphics file format that supports lossless data compressions. And last one is TIFF. Uh, TIFF is TIFF basically stands for the tagged image file format. It is one of the computer file format for storing raster graphics images, popular among graphics artists and for the photographers. So what is the thumbnail? It is one of the small version of larger graphics that used to improve the web page that display on a time. आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि गूगल के ऊपर जब आप ऊपर देख रहे हैं कि वीडियोस और इमेजेस, if you want to click over the images, so the thumbnail display with the larger graphic. Animation. So appearance of motion created by displaying a series of still images in a sequence, or we can say that animation is the process where pictures and images are shown in a rapid order or sequence to create the illusion of movement, and that create the uh, 3D objects. Whereas we can use a different type of animation tools like the Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Flash, Autodesk Maya, Autodesk 3D Max, Autodesk Motion Builder. What is audio? It is one of the sound or speech or music. The study of the sound is called the acoustic. So individual compressed sound file that you can download from the web to your computer. Nowadays on a web, huge a lot of the audio file formats are available, but the popular are the MP3 and the WavNet files. The streaming audio is one of the process of transferring audio in a continuous and even flow that might be the enable you to listen to a music as well as you can download on your computer. Video basically consists of full motion images, most with a sound that are playback at a various speed. And the video compression techniques are used like the MPEG, Moving Picture Experts Group. वर्चुअल रियलिटी आपको पता होगा कि वर्चुअल रियलिटी हम यूज करते हैं. Yeah, we can use the Unity framework to develop the different type of the games, and that appears in the 3D. Plugins ये ऐसे प्रोग्राम होते हैं, they can provide the capability of the browsers. और जब आप एड ऑन करते हैं तो इस टाइप के जो चाहे रियल प्लेयर हो, चाहे आपका जो है क्विक टाइम हो या फ्लैश प्लेयर हो, ये बेसिकली एक्सटेंडेबिलिटी जो है क्रिएट करते हैं. ये एड ऑन जो है वो वेब ब्राउजर के साथ एक थर्ड पार्टी की तरह प्लग इन हो जाते हैं और यू कैन यूज फॉर द डाउनलोड पर्पस और अनदर एप्लीकेशंस. Web publishing. So it is one of the development and maintenance of the web pages. Web publishing is the process of publishing original content on the internet. The process includes building and website, updating the associated web pages, personal as well as business or the community websites. As you know that nowadays every business is over the internet. We can say that e-commerce, business over IP. E-commerce को हम कहते हैं business over IP. Or there are a lot of the components of the e-commerce like the B2B, B2C, C2C and B2G. Business to consumer जो है sale of goods to general public. आप एक कंपनी से जो है आम पब्लिक तक अपनी प्रोडक्ट जो है सेल आउट करते हैं. So we can say that the business to consumer. Another component is consumer to consumer. The one consumer sell out, or it might be sell out to the directly to another consumers. जैसे कि आपको पता होता है कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर भी होते हैं, होलसेलर भी होते हैं और रीसेलर भी होते हैं. तो एक होलसेलर आप जब सेल आउट करता है तो उसको हम रीसेलर भी कहते हैं. कंपनी टू कंपनी जो बिजनेस किया जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द बिजनेस टू बिजनेस. ईमेल stands for the electronic mail, the transmission of messages and files via computer network. कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क के थ्रू जब आप कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट, ग्राफिक्स, ऑडियो, वीडियो क्लिप या कोई भी अटैचमेंट सेंड करते हैं थ्रू द ईमेल, and you can use the different type of the website or the domains like the Gmail, like the Yahoo or the Hotmail. So this is the one of the window of the email where you can write the new uh, mail, or you can compose the email and you can forward to the uh, your friends or the companies, or you can attach your document or the file with the email. And email address is consist on the username as well as the domain name. Like for example, my mail is aurangzebpamar@gmail.com. Aurangzeb Pamar is a basically username and Gmail is a domain name. Instant message, it's one of the private message, or we can chat up privately. It's one of the real-time internet communication services that notifies you when one or more people are online and allows you to exchange messages or the files. A chat, when we chat, it's one of the conversation between the two parties, and we can join the chat room from the different locations. Voice over IP, it's a basically internet protocols, or we can say that IP telephony. Voice over IP is also called the IP telephony. IP telephony is a method and a group of technologies for the delivery of the voice communication and multimedia session over the internet protocols that enables user to speak to other users over the internet. जैसे कि आपको पता है कि मैं अभी बात कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं कोई ना कोई एप्लीकेशन टूल यूज कर रहा हूँ, लाइक दी जूम है, स्ट्रीम यार्ड है, या स्काइप है, जेस्टर है, गूगल टॉक है, या याहू टॉक है। उनके ऊपर जब आप इंटरनेट के ऊपर बोलते हैं, सो यू नीड one type of the applications where you can transfer your voice or another multimedia uh, uh, documents, or you can create the multimedia sessions over the IP telephony. We can transfer the file over the different type of the protocols. We can use the like the uh, VPN, as well as we can create the file transfer FTP protocols. These are the internet standards that allows you to upload or download the file from the other computers through the internet. There are a lot of the news groups or the message boards, and a news group, it's one of the online area where users can discuss on a particular subject or topic. And the message board, it's one of the type of discussion group. On a many website, they can use the message board because they are easier to use. Netquit, it's one of the code of acceptable behavior where users should follow the while on the internet. It's one of the golden rule: treat others as you would like them to treat. It is a set of rules that determine how to communicate and browse on a web. यहाँ तक कोई सवाल है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक एंड नेक्स्ट लेक्चर के साथ। थैंक यू।